Want something from the other side of the country? No problem. The other side of the planet? No problem. Don't want to put on pants and actually leave your house to get something? No problem. That's right, shipping is one of history's greatest solutions. But somebody's got to pay for that convenience, whether that's you, your customer, or both. With shipping costs among the top reasons for cart abandonment at checkout, it's super important to build a good shipping strategy. With a decent shipping strategy, you can provide a better customer experience, increase your average order value, sell to more people in more places, reduce cart abandonment rate and get more conversions, set a profit margin that's right for you, and distinguish your brand. Let's start with free shipping. Free shipping should be seen as an investment when it comes to long-term growth, as it helps attract and retain customers and foster a strong relationship with them. The simplest method to remain profitable is to build the shipping cost into your retail price. Domestic and international prices will vary, so keep that in mind when setting your margins. But there are a bunch of different strategies within the free shipping strategy. Check out our video on free shipping strategies to learn more about them. This is a good option if including the full cost in your retail price would make the overall price too high compared to your competitors, but also if you don't want to put the full burden on your customers. The idea here is to include part of the shipping cost in your retail price and have the other part paid by your customers. This can be split 50-50, 70-30, 30-70, or whatever makes sense for your business. Let's say you want to sell this tumbler. With Printify Premium, it costs $16.16 to produce and $9.49 to ship this product within the US. You decide that offering free shipping would cut into your profits too much, but don't want to scare your customers away with almost $10 in shipping. You calculate that splitting the cost almost 50-50 would still leave you with a decent profit and the shipping price is reasonable for your customers. In the end, you might cover $5 of the shipping price and your customer would pay $4.49. That comes out pretty fair for both parties. Real-time shipping carrier rates come directly from carriers like UPS, FedEx, or USPS. Or you can use a third-party app to calculate rates. Customers can choose which shipping method is best for them, and it creates transparency with your prices as customers can see a real-time shipping calculator that breaks down current prices for each delivery option. They'll know you're not inflating fees. Let's say someone needs their order by a certain date. They might be willing to pay more for expedited shipping, whereas someone else might wait a few days longer to get cheaper shipping. Customers are more likely to convert when presented with options. This method is a single flat fee for shipping on either all your orders or based on rules that you set. Flat rates for all orders is an easy setup since you're charging the same amount regardless of the product. This makes sense when your products are all the same or similar in size and weight. So if you're just selling t-shirts, for example, you might set a flat shipping rate of $5 across your whole shop. Alternatively, rules can be set by location, package size and weight, or order totals. This method requires a bit of prep to figure out your average cost to ship an item, and you'll probably be over or under the actual shipping cost by a little for some products, but in the end, it should balance out. An example rule might be charging $5 for domestic orders and $10 for international orders. Overall, don't be afraid to mix and match shipping options to create the right strategy for your business. If your AOV is $30, try offering flat rate shipping for orders under $50 and free shipping for orders above $50. It encourages customers to add more to their carts and ensures you don't lose money on shipping costs. Having customers all around the world is great for brand recognition and scaling your business. But it comes with its own set of unique challenges. You've got to have a complete understanding of and be prepared to deal with customs, import duties, and additional taxes that vary by country. Usually in e-commerce, these are passed along to the customer, but some countries may have extremely high import duties, sometimes even as much as the product itself. It's important to clearly state that customers are responsible for these fees. This is a good option to have for when a customer wants an order faster. Many of our print providers offer priority shipping, but it does come at a higher cost. But as already mentioned, some customers are willing to pay the price. Remember though, faster shipping doesn't mean faster production. It'll still take the standard time to actually pick and print the product. Another important thing your customers should know. Your shipping policies should be short and clear, but also thorough with any important information your customers should be aware of. Include details about delivery times, shipping costs and methods, potential restrictions, what to do in case of missing or lost packages, international shipping, and of course, returns and exchanges. In an ideal world, every customer would be happy with every purchase. But in the real world, stuff happens, and customer returns sometimes just can't be avoided. The top pain points actually for customers when it comes to returns are paying to ship the product back, dropping the package at a mail facility, and just lacking an easy way to make an exchange. The good news though, Printify doesn't require you or your customer to send anything back. Simply send a picture of the problem item within 30 days of delivery and we'll refund your customer or send a replacement at no extra cost to you. If your customer is suffering from a case of buyer's remorse or just ordered the wrong size or color, however, then you'll need to decide if you want to accept the return and deal with any related costs. All in all, whether you accept returns or not is up to you, but whatever you decide, make sure it's clearly stated in your policies. Not all strategies will work for every business, so take into consideration your competitors, but also consider your niche and if you'll be selling internationally. Research your competitors' shipping strategy, but create a strategy that makes sense for your business and keeps you profitable. This is especially important for new merchants, as trying to mirror a competitor with tons of sales may not work for your business just yet. And lastly, as your business grows, your shipping strategy should change too. Review your shipping approach for high selling periods like holidays and for growth milestones. If you're ready to try some of these strategies, hit that like button, and if you want even more growth strategies, make sure you're subscribed to Printify.